How to install Lucas adjustable curtain rod with rings. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set of Lucas adjustable curtain rod with rings, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, screw one end of the splice nut onto a rod piece. Then, attach the next rod piece by screwing it into the other end of the splice nut. Insert the thinner rod into the outer section to finish assembly. Note, the other end is reserved for the end cap to finish the look. Use the assembled rod to mark the bracket mount positions on the wall. Loosen the mounting plate from the bracket base by rotating it. Align the center of the mounting plate with the previously marked point, then remark the drilling points with it. Drill holes at the marked positions with a driver. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting plate to the wall. Attach the bracket base to the mounted plate and tighten it. Insert the rod bracket into the base, adjust into position, and secure it with the hex key. Slide the curtain rings onto the rod, matching the number of your curtain hooks. Then, insert the assembled rod into the mounted brackets. Tighten the rod in place using a hex key. Finally, screw the end caps onto both ends of the rod. For wider curtains or better wall coverage, remove the end caps and slide some of the rings onto the rod outside the brackets as needed. That's it. Your Lucas adjustable curtain rod with rings is all set. Time to hang your curtains and enjoy the view.